Hi guys and welcome back. I'm Rog and this is the Gourmet Grandad cooking channel. But today, instead of cooking, I'm going to show you my garden and a few things that I use in my cooking. Right, first I'm going to show you my fig tree. It's quite big. It's been in this pot here. See that pot there? It's been there for years now. If we go up, I think it's got gorgeous leaves. Looks quite tropical really. Now I could show you some up there. Let's zoom in a little bit. There we go, that one's nearly ripe there. The wasps seem to love these. Up there. A bit out of focus, that one. That one's not quite ready. And well, let's focus in on that one if we can. Yeah, that one's ready. And there's another one over there somewhere that's ready. There we go. Oh, that's a beauty, that one. Anyway, onwards and upwards, and I'll show you my tomatoes next. Okay, be prepared to be amazed. They're doing so well this year. Let's go into the greenhouse. There we go. Tomato trees, I call these. They're not really, the plants. But I've done what I do every year. I grow different sorts. Now this one here is quite a large type, if you can see it. I mean, I've got big hands anyway, but there we go. That one's a beauty, isn't it? And some of these off the same truss look a lot smaller, but these ones here are not quite ready. These ones over the back are called black ones, but they're not actually black, but they're just a bit darker. And then down here are just your ordinary everyday tomatoes. These are beauties, aren't they? Gonna have to start picking some. I'll have to keep eating tomatoes for weeks. I will actually freeze some of these. Over the back there are some yellow ones. Can you see those? They're yellow. There's some more in there. They're ripe when they don't actually look ripe. Some over the back, some up the top. To be honest, they're way taller than I am and they're still growing. I feed them probably once a week on a normal sort of a tomato fertiliser. There's some more yellow ones there, they're probably ready. I know they don't look it, but they are. And these are some really, really big ones down there. And some more. And just one thing, sneaked over in the corner that's planted a bit late and probably won't do anything, is an aubergine plant. I can't see anything coming on it yet. It might get one, but I think it's a bit late really. So that's it then. Over there, I don't know if you can see those, we've got some peaches growing. There's quite a few, they're not ripe yet, but they normally do quite well. Well, I do hope that you enjoyed that video, showing you a bit of my garden and a couple of bits that I grow. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, give me a share, and give me some comments down below. And yeah, if you did like it, I might show you my garden again another day. Bye for now.